Watch what he can do. Speak. Speak. He's mute. Speak. Good boy. Catch. Close enough. I went to Disneyland this weekend, and and Knott's Berry. I don't like roller coasters. That junk traumatized me, bruh. Oh well, not Disneyland, but Knott's Berry, bruh. That junk traumatized me. Don't you just love some good weather? When it's nice and it's hitting you, and it's not hot, and you're not dripping sweat down to your balls. What the heck? It just sounded like a spaceship. Hell yeah, we made it.